So reharmonizing. So what we're saying is here, for example, Tumirai Mweya, the song, Tumirai. So we're gonna start on the one, right? And some of you, I think, on the votes, some people were mentioning, we don't know. We're just used to playing ordinary chords. We're just playing ordinary notes. So this is F sharp. If you're playing F sharp like this, right? You can replace these chords. This is F sharp major 7, right? So you have your F sharp, you add this 7. Remember, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you just add on top F sharp major 7, or you can play it like this. It's a major 9th. This is a 9th, right? Or you can just play like this, right? So so this chord now is called A flat 13. Because what's happening is chinoita tichigone kuriharmonizer, right? Is knowing the melody first. You can't reharmonize if you don't know the melody. If you can't play the melody of the song, right? So reharmonizing just replacing certain chords on the same melody. Like let's say I can say you see what I've done, because it's like on this 5. That's reharmonizing. So I just replaced a 1 with these 2. So alright, so it's like, so this Tumirai, we have to do a lot of so I can do, because I just want to target this. Alright, then this is called A flat 13. So this is a passing chord on the 2 to 5, right? So you have your 2 and your 1, the left, and we have sharp 4, 7, and 3. It's called A flat 13. These are 13 chords, right? Right. And on the 5, you can do certain things. So I like to do, we can drop it like this. So we're dropping from 1 na 6, we have 1 na E flat, na F and D, like this on the mid notes. So like we're playing around. So some people do this, right? Or we're just playing with the 6th. These are 60 notes. F sharp na E flat, these are 60 notes, right? These are 60 notes. So I'm dropping like this so that I can play a D flat 7, flat 9. So right, then this is a B diminished 7, like this, a straight diminished 7 like this. On my left I'm playing B, F, and A flat. Right home I'm playing B, D, F, A flat, and B. So if you can listen, I'm playing the melody. So then so I did this. I didn't say Mutene. I said Mutene. So it's alright. So on this, now I'm playing a B flat minor 7, sharp 11. So this is my 3. The reason why I went on this 4 was that when I put 3, so I drew a 4 3 6 2 5 1. Alright, so then Muchene one was like this. So I have B flat, which is 3. Then I have A flat and C sharp. It's kind of a stretch on my left. Then for right, I'm just playing a D flat minor. Right. So right? So after this, B flat minor 7 sharp 11. This is the 2-5-1. So I'll show you. So after this, we're going to play 2-5-1. So we're playing this, but in the key of F sharp. This is 6 now, right? So on my left, I'm playing E flat and G. On my right, I'm playing D flat minor 7 flat 5, right? Like this. All right. So let me explain why it's called a 2-5-1. In the key of C sharp, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So in the key of C sharp, we play it like this. So 2, 5, 1, right? Dot end out on a forward, because this is F sharp is the fourth of C sharp, just because they share my notes, right? So we can say all right. So that's it. So that's it. This is a 2, 5, 1 in the key of D flat. So but in the key of F sharp, Yakutung is like 6, 2, 5, 1, right? So then on this one, I didn't respect the melody, so because it was supposed to say I didn't do that. I wanted to, I didn't do that. So I could have done that, but I wanted to play this 2-5-1 illustrate like this. So right, just like a 2, 2, 5, right? On this 5, we have A flat and F sharp. On my right, I'm just playing a B major 7. So altogether, it's like A flat minor 9. So if it's 2, 5, then our 1 now, this is D flat 13. These are 13 chords. These are jazz chords, right? Right. So I have my D flat, and so I have my 5 and a 7. Right. I have 4, 7, and 3. Then I resolve on this. You see how I'm resolving using this, right? So right, right. Then we're going to do, I think I've shown you this before. It's like a so then on this chord, everybody knows this chord. This is C minor 7 sharp 11. So I'm reharmonized. All right. Then this lick that I did on the last part, it's like you're finishing the song, but also it's like a 6, 7, 1. But I'm doing this, right? It's like a B over E flat, 6 over 4, like this. Then you play D flat over F, or what is that? 7 over 5. So all right. So those are some of the examples, guys. Those are some of the examples. So this is a regular song, but normally it's played like Tumirai Mweya Mutsveve. Which is the regular thing to do, right? So Tumirai Mweya Mutsveve.